Welcome to AutoMates, a click minimalist constraints approach and functionality extension for Autodesk Inventor. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use some of AutoMates' core features, including the hold first face function and batch face selection. You define your constraint series in order of selection in the script field, or use the recommended quick scripts panel located here for easy access to common templates. The alternating select feature toggles between selecting the first and second face for each constraint, automatically adding them as you go. Enable hold first face to keep your initial selection as the primary input for the entire script. Perfect for applying constraints to a single base part. With batch select, you can quickly select all the first faces in your script in one go, streamlining the setup process. In this example, I'll be constraining my posts to the corners of the frame with a MFF-MFF combination. If you accidentally select the wrong face, press the Escape key to reselect it. To add constraints with offsets, enter the value of the offset here. To have all offsets in the script linked to the first parameter, check this box. That's a quick look at how to use AutoMates. Simple, efficient, and built to extend Inventor with minimal clicks. Try it out and see how much time you can save.